awards this certificate of appreciation to our choral groups for their invaluable contribution in promoting Filipino music as performers in the Coro National Choral Children's Concert during the Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino, given the second day of August 2025 at the Metropolitan Theater, Manila. Ating tinatawagan ang ating mga choral groups upang tanggapin ang kanilang sertipiko. Unahin na natin. Palakpakan natin Matina Central Elementary School Children's Choir. Mga kaibigan, ang Matina Central Elementary School Children's Choir. Ngayon naman, salubungin natin ng palakpakan ang Young Voices of the Philippines Choral. Muli palakpakan natin, Young Voices of the Philippines Choral. At bilang panghuli, palakpakan din natin, Bacoor Hope Children's Choir. Muli mga kaibigan, ang Bacoor Hope Children's Choir. Magkakaroon po tayo ng isang malakiang grupo. Mari kayong mabande ating mga koro para sa isang